Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson Mekanati Mayan Al Arabiyati Al Akbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. So today we are going to study the next verse, that is from 101 to 153 from Surah Al Imran. Al-yawma sawfun nadrusul ayyata min mi'a wa wahid ila mi'a wa thalata wa khamsun min Al-Imran. So let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, from 101 to 108. وَكَيْفَ تَكْفُرُونَ وَأَنْتُمْ تُتْلَى عَلَيْكُمْ آيَاتُ اللَّهِ وَفِيكُمْ رَسُولُهُ وَمَنْ يَعْتَصِمْ بِاللَّهِ فَقَدْ هُدِيَ إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اتَّقُوا اللَّهَ حَقَّ تُقَاتِهِ وَلَا تَمُوتُنَّ إِلَّا وَأَنْتُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا وَاذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ إِذْ كُنْتُمْ أَعْدَاءً فَأَلَّفَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِكُمْ فَأَصْبَحْتُمْ بِنِعْمَتِهِ إِخْوَانًا وَكُنْتُمْ عَلَى شَفَا حُفْرَةٍ مِنَ النَّارِ فَأَنقَذَكُم مِّنْهَا كَذَلِكَ يُبَيِّنُ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ آيَاتِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَهْتَدُونَ وَلْتَكُن مِّنكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ وَلَا تَكُونُوا كَالَّذِينَ تَفَرَّقُوا وَاخْتَلَفُوا مِن بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَهُمُ الْبَيِّنَاتُ وَأُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ يَوْمَ تَبْيَضُّ وُجُوهٌ وَتَسْوَدُّ وُجُوهٌ فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ اسْوَدَّتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ أَكَفَرْتُمْ بَعْدَ إِيمَانِكُمْ فَذُوقُوا الْعَذَابَ بِمَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْفُرُونَ وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ ابْيَضَّتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ فَفِي رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ تِلْكَ آيَاتُ اللَّهِ نَتْلُوهَا عَلَيْكَ بِالْحَقِّ وَمَا اللَّهُ يُرِيدُ ظُلْمًا لِلْعَالَمِينَ. So what does it mean in English? So, and how would ye deny faith while unto you are rehearsed the signs of Allah, and among you lies the apostle? Whoever holds firmly to Allah will be shown a way that is straight. O ye who believe, fear Allah as He should be feared, and die not except in a state of Islam, and hold fast altogether by the rope which Allah stretches out for you, and be not divided among yourselves. And remember with gratitude Allah's favor on you, for ye were enemies, and He joined your hearts in love, so that by His grace ye became brethren, and ye were on the brink of the pit of fire, and He saved you from it. Thus doth Allah make His signs clear to you, that ye may be guided. Let there arise out of you a band of people, inviting to all that is good, enjoining what is right, and forbidding what is wrong. They are the ones to attain felicity. Be not like those who are divided amongst themselves and fall into disputations after receiving clear signs. For them is a dreadful penalty on the day when some faces will be lit up with white, and some faces will be in the gloom of black. To those whose faces will be black will be said, did ye reject faith after accepting it? Taste then the penalty for rejecting faith. But those whose faces will be lit with white, they will be in the light of Allah's mercy, therein to dwell forever. These are the signs of Allah. We rehearse them to thee in truth, and Allah means no injustice to any of His creatures. Now next verse comes, that is from 109 to 150. وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ كُنْتُمْ خَيْرَ أُمَّةٍ أُخْرِجَتْ لِلنَّاسِ تَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَتَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ وَتُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَلَوْ آمَنَ أَهْلُ الْكِتَابِ لَكَانَ خَيْرًا لَهُمْ مِنْهُمُ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ وَأَكْثَرُهُمُ الْفَاسِقُونَ لَنْ يَضُرُّوكُمْ إِلَّا أَذًى إِنْ يُقَاتِلُوكُمْ يُوَلُّوكُمُ الْأَدْبَارَ ثُمَّ لَا يُنصَرُونَ ضُرِبَتْ عَلَيْهِمُ الذِّلَّةُ أَيْنَمَا تُقِفُوا إِلَّا بِحَبْلٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَحَبْلٍ مِّنَ النَّاسِ وَبَاءُوا بِغَضَبٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَضُرِبَتْ عَلَيْهِمُ الْمَسْكَنَةُ ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّهُمْ كَانُوا يَكْفُرُونَ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ وَيَقْتُلُونَ الْأَنبِيَاءَ بِغَيْرِ حَقٍّ ذَلِكَ بِمَا عَصَوا وَكَانُوا يَعْتَدُونَ لَيْسُوا سَوَاءً مِّنْ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ أُمَّةٌ قَائِمَةٌ يَتْلُونَ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ آنَاءَ اللَّيْلِ وَهُمْ يَسْجُدُونَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ وَيُسَارِعُونَ فِي الْخَيْرَاتِ وَأُولَئِكَ مِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ وَمَا يَفْعَلُوا مِنْ خَيْرٍ فَلَنْ يُكْفَرَهُ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالْمُتَّقِينَ. So what does it mean in English? To Allah belongs all that is in the heavens and on earth. To Him do all questions go back for decision. Ye are the best of peoples evolved for mankind, enjoining what is right, forbidding what is wrong, and believing in Allah. If only the people of book had faith, it were best for them. Among them are some who have faith, but most of them are perverted transgressors. They will do you no harm, barring a trifling annoyance. If they come out to fight you, they will show you their backs, and no help shall they get. Shame is pitched over them like a tent wherever they are found, except when, under a covenant of protection from Allah and from men, they draw on themselves wrath from Allah, and pitched over them is the tent of destitution. This because they rejected the signs of Allah and slew the prophets in defiance of right. This because they rebelled and transgressed beyond bounds. Not all of them are alike. Of people of book are a portion that stand for the right. They rehearse the signs of Allah all night long, and they prostrate themselves in adoration. They believe in Allah and the last day. They enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and they hasten in emulation in all good works. They are in ranks of righteous. Of the good that they do, nothing will be rejected of them, for Allah knoweth well those that do right. Now next verse comes, that is from 116 to 121. Sorry. Okay. 116 to 121. Inna lazina kafaru lan tughniya anhum amwaluhum wala awladuhum minallahi shay'a wa ulaika ashabun nar hum fiha khalidun mathalu ma yunfikuna fi hazihil hayatid dunya kamathali rihin fiha sirun asabad harta qawmin zalamu anfusahum fa ahlakat wa ma zalamahumullahu wa لكن أنفسهم يظلمون يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا بطانة من دونكم لا يلونكم خبالا ودوا ما أنتم قد بدت البغضاء من أفواههم وما تخفي صدورهم أكبر قد بينا لكم الآيات إن كنتم تعقلون ها أنتم أولئك تحبونهم ولا يحبونكم وتؤمنون بالكتاب كله وإذا لقوكم قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا أدوا عليكم الأنامل من الغيظ قل موتوا بغيظكم إن الله عليم بذات الصدور إن تمسسكم حسنة تسؤهم وإن تصبكم سيئة يفرحوا بها وإن تصبروا وتتقوا لا يضركم كيدهم شيئا إن الله بما يعملون محيط وإذ غدوت من أهلك تبوئ المؤمنين مقعد للقتال والله سميع عليم. So what does it mean in English? Those who reject faith, neither their possessions nor their numerous progeny will avail them aught against Allah. They will be companions of fire, dwelling therein forever. What they spend in the life of this material world may be likened to a wind which brings a nipping frost. It strikes and destroys the harvest of men who have wronged their own souls. It is not Allah that hath wronged them, but they wrong themselves. O ye who believe, take not into your intimacy those outside your ranks. They will not fail to corrupt you. They only desire your ruin. Rank hatred has already appeared from their mouths. What their hearts conceal is far worse. We have made plain to you the signs if ye have wisdom. Ah, ye are those who love them, but they love you not, though ye believe in the whole of the book. When they meet you, they say, we believe, but when they are alone, they bite off the very tips of their fingers at you in their rage. Say, perish in your rage. Allah knoweth well all the secrets of the heart. If aught that is good befalls you, it grieves them. But if some misfortune overtakes you, they rejoice at it. But if ye are constant and do right, not the least harm will their cunning do to you, for Allah compasseth round about all that they do. Remember that morning, thou didst leave thy household early to post the faithful at their stations for battle, and Allah heareth and knoweth all things. So now comes next verse, that is from 122 to 132. Is hamatat ifatani minkum antaf Shala wallahu waliyuhuma wa ala lahi falyatawak kalil mu'minun wa laqad nasarakumullahu bi badri nawa antum azillaha fatakullaha la alakum tashkurun istaqawlaw lil mu'minina allan yakfiyakum ani yumidakum rabbukum bitha la Thati Allah fim minal mala ikate munzali bala in tasbiraw wa tatakaw wa yatawkum min forihim hazayum ditkum rabukum bi khamsati Allah fim minil mala ikati musawwimin wa ma ja'allahu Allahu illa bushra lakum wa لِتَطْمَئِنَّ قُلُوبُكُمْ بِهِ وَمَا النَّصْرُ إِلَّا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ الْعَزِيزِ الْحَكِيمِ لِيَقْطَعَ طَرَفًا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَوْ يَكْبِتَهُمْ فَيَنْقَلِبُوا خَائِبِينَ لَيْسَ لَكَ مِنَ الْأَمْرِ شَيْءٌ أَوْ يَتُوبَ عَلَيْهِمْ أَوْ يُعَذِّبَهُمْ فَإِنَّهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ يَغْفِرُ لِمَنْ يَشَاءُ وَيُعَذِّبُ مَنْ يَشَاءُ وَاللَّهُ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا لَا تَأْكُلُوا الرِّبَا أَضْعَافًا مُضَاعَفَةً وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ وَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي أُعِدَّتْ لِلْكَافِرِينَ وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَالرَّسُولَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. So what does it mean in English? Remember, two of your parties meditated cowardice, but Allah was their protector, and in Allah should the faithful ever put their trust. Allah had helped you at Badr when ye were a contemptible little force. Then fear Allah. Thus may ye show your gratitude. Remember, thou saidest to the faithful, it is not enough for you that Allah should help you with 3,000 angels specially sent down. Yea, if ye remain firm and act aright, even if the enemy should rush here on you in hot haste, your Lord would help you with 5,000 angels making a terrific onslaught. Allah made it but a message of hope for you and an assurance to your hearts. In any case, there is no help except from Allah, the Exalted, the Wise, that He might cut off a fringe of the unbelievers or expose them to infamy, and they should then be turned back frustrated of their purpose. Not for thee, but for Allah is the decision whether He turn in mercy to them or punish them, for they are indeed wrongdoers. To Allah belongeth all that is in the heavens and on earth. He forgiveth whom He pleaseth and punisheth whom He pleaseth. But Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. O ye who believe, devour not usury doubled and multiplied, but fear Allah, but that ye may really prosper. Fear the fire which is prepared for those who reject faith, and obey Allah and the apostle, that ye may obtain mercy. So now next verse that comes from 133 to 140. Okay. وَسَارِعُوا إِلَى مَغْفِرَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّكُمْ وَجَنَّةٍ أَرْضُهَا السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ أُعِدَّتْ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ فِي السَّرَّاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ وَالْكَاظِمِينَ الْغَيْظَ وَالْعَافِينَ عَنِ النَّاسِ وَاللَّهُ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ ذَكَرُوا اللَّهَ فَاسْتَغْفَرُوا لِذُنُوبِهِمْ وَمَنْ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ وَلَمْ يُصِرُّوا عَلَى مَا فَعَلُوا وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ أُولَئِكَ جَزَاؤُهُمْ مَغْفِرَةٌ مِّن رَّبِّهِمْ وَجَنَّةٌ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا وَنِعْمَ أَجْرُ الْعَامِلِينَ قَدْ خَلَتْ مِن قَبْلِكُمْ سُنَنٌ فَسِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ فَانظُرُوا كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ هَذَا بَيَانٌ لِلنَّاسِ وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةٌ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ وَلَا تَهِنُوا وَلَا تَحْزَنُوا وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنتُم مُّؤْمِنِينَ إِن يَمْسَسْكُمْ كَرْحٌ فَقَدْ مَسَّ الْقَوْمَ كَرْحٌ مِثْلُهُ وَتِلْكَ الْأَيَّامُ نُدَاوِلُهَا بَيْنَ النَّاسِ liya lama lahul lazina amana wa yatakhiza min kum shuhada wallahu la yuhibbuz zalimin. So what does it mean in English? Be quick in the race for forgiveness from your Lord, and for a garden whose width is that of the whole of heavens and of the earth, prepared for the righteous. Those who spend freely, whether in prosperity or in adversity, who restrain anger and pardon all men, for Allah loves those who do good. And those who, having done something to be ashamed of or wrong their own souls, earnestly bring Allah to mind and ask for forgiveness for their sins. And who can forgive sins except Allah, and are never obstinate in persisting knowingly in the wrong they have done. For such the reward is forgiveness from their Lord, and gardens with rivers flowing underneath, an eternal dwelling. How excellent a recompense for those who work and strive. Many were the ways of life that have passed away before you. Travel through the earth and see what was the end of those who rejected truth. Here is a plain statement to men, a guidance and instruction to those who fear God. So lose not heart, nor fall into despair, for ye must gain mastery if ye are true in faith. If a wound hath touched you, be sure a similar wound hath touched the other. Such days of varying fortunes we give to men and men by turns, that Allah may know those that believe, and that He may take to Himself from your ranks martyr witnesses to truth, and Allah loveth not those that do wrong. Now next comes verse that is from 141 to 148. Wali yumahisallahu lazina amano wa yamha kal kafirin am hasibtum antad khulul jannata wa lama ya lamilahul lazina jahadaw minkum wa ya lama sabirin wa lakat kuntum tamannaw nal mauta min qabli an talka wuhu fakat ra aytumahu wa antum tanzurun wa ma muhammadun illa rasulun qad khalat min qablihi rusul af imata aw qutilan qalabtum ala kabikum wa mani yanqalib ala aqibehi falan yadurra laha shaya wa sayaj zilahush shakirin wa ma kana li nafsin an tamauta illa bi iznillahi kitabam muajala wa mani yuritha wa bad dunya nutihi minha wa mani yuritha wa bal akhirati nutihi minha wa sanajzish shakiri wa kayyim min nabiyyin katla ma'ahu ribbiyuna kathirun fama wahanaw lima asabahum fi sabilillahi wa mada ufaw wa mastakanaw wallahu yuhibbu sabirin wa ma kana qawluhum illa an qalaw rabban ghafir lana zunaw bana wa israfana fi amrina wa thabbit damana wan surna allal qawmil kafirin fatahumullahu thawabad dunya wa husna thawabil akhirah wallahu yuhibbul muhsinin. So what does it mean in English? So Allah's object also is to purge those that are true in faith, and to deprive of blessing those that resist faith. Did ye think that ye would enter heaven without Allah testing those of you who fought hard in His cause and remained steadfast? Ye did indeed wished for death before ye met him. Now ye have seen him with your own eyes, and ye flinch. Muhammad is no more than an apostle. Many were the apostles that passed away before him. If he died or were slain, will ye then turn back on your heels? If any did turn back on his heels, not the least harm will he do to Allah, but Allah on the other hand will swiftly reward those who serve him with gratitude. Nor can a soul die except by Allah's leave, the term being fixed as by writing. If any do desire a reward in this life, we shall give it to him, and if any do desire a reward in the hereafter, we shall give it to him, and swiftly shall we reward those that serve us with gratitude. How many of the prophets fought in Allah's way, and with them fought large bands of godly men, but they never lost heart if they met with disaster in Allah's way, nor did they weaken in will nor give in. And Allah loves those who are firm and steadfast. All that they said was, Our Lord, forgive us our sins and anything we may have done that transgressed our duty. Establish our feet firmly and help us against those that resist faith. And Allah gave them a reward in this world and the excellent reward of the hereafter. For Allah loveth those who do good. Okay, so now comes the next verse. We are about to finish. 149 to 153. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu in tuti ullazina kafaru yaruddukum alla kabikum fatan ka libau khasirin balillahu maulakum wa huwa khairun nasirin. Sanulki fi qulubil lazina kafaru rubba bima ashrakau billahi ma lam yunazil bihi sultana wa ma wahumun nar wa bisa matwaz zalimin wa lakad sadakumullahu wa dahu istahu sawnahum bi iznihi hatta iza fash iltum wa tanazatum fil amri wa asaytum mim ba'di ma arakum ma tuhibun minkum mani yuridu dunya wa minkum mani yuridul akhirah thumma sarafakum anhum li yabtili yakum walakad afa ankum wallahu zaw fadlin alal mu'minin istus idona wala talwona al ahadina wa rasaulau yad aukum fi ukhra kum fa atha bakum gam mam bi gamil likay la tahzanu ala ma fatakum wala ma asabakum wallahu wa khabirum bima ta'malun. So what does it mean in English? O ye who believe, if ye obey the unbelievers, they will drive you back on your heels, and ye will turn back from faith to your own loss. Nay, Allah is your protector, and He is the best of helpers. Soon shall we cast terror into the hearts of the unbelievers, for that they joined companions with Allah, for which He had sent no authority. Their abode will be the fire, and evil is the home of the wrongdoers. Allah did indeed fulfill His promise to you when when ye with His permission were about to annihilate your enemy until ye flinched and fell to disputing about order and disobeyed it after He brought you in sight of the booty which ye covet. Among you are some that hanker after this world, and some that desire the hereafter. Then did He divert you from your foes in order to test you, but he forgave you, for Allah is full of grace to those who believe. Behold, ye were climbing up the high ground without even casting a slight glance at anyone, and the apostle in your rear was calling you back. There did Allah give you one distress after another by way of requital, to teach you not to grieve for the booty that had escaped you and for the ill that had befallen you, for Allah is well aware of all that ye do. So, هذا كل شيء لهذا اليوم. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سينثيا سامسون من قناة ميان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندي. Shukran. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.